Highway 69. The road there still closed because of a crash, Jason.
Yeah, photographer Lee Rouse and I have been west of the metro. We were up around Dallas Center areas west of there, came across through Polk City, and we're now looking north on Highway 169. We are north of Alleman, south of Huxley, and this is the worst road I have seen so far today, which is odd because it's a north and south road, but just an absolute sheet of ice. And up there where you see the flashing lights, semi-jackknifed, sent a pickup truck into the ditch, and the pickup truck had airbags deployed. Met the gentleman who was in there. Not much he could do due to the ice on the roads, and so you see the traffic that's backed up there, state troopers and tow companies working that area. In general now, it's the east-west roads that are still the worst. This is obviously an exception, but especially Highway 44, and I would think that a lot of the east-west roads, west and northwest of the metro, are still pretty bad. Visibilities are still low up around Clarion and Humboldt and Algona. We still have tow bans in effect for places like Hardin County, Hamilton County, Webster, Sac County, over in Carroll County, Cass County, and Adair County because of the conditions of the roadways there. In general, to the west of Des Moines, to the northwest of Des Moines, and then of course across northern Iowa, that's where you're going to run into the most trouble on the roads. And those areas are just good places to avoid tonight. And you get into town, things are okay, but it's an entirely different situation out in the country where roads have been exposed to the wind since the snow began to fall early this morning. And of course the snow fell on wet roads and froze, and that's what's creating all the trouble out there. Aaron, for now, we will send things back to the studio.
Okay, Jason and photojournalist Lee Rouse, thanks so much for your work this afternoon.